Our job here at Amber is to help you find the best stays near your university. And we've always kept our word. If you're looking for an affordable and comfortable place to live in Liverpool, the Paddington House is the best student accommodation for you. The property has over 350 ensuite rooms with a private bathroom. The rooms are fully furnished, making it easier to move in ASAP. The living spaces and the fully fitted kitchen will be shared between the housemates, ensuring that you'll never have a dull moment while you prepare a meal with your friends. The property comes with a beautiful courtyard where you can relax, unwind, or have amazing barbecue parties. The John Moores and the University of Liverpool are under 15 minutes walk from the property. You can find plenty of shops, bars, and restaurants within a 5 minutes distance from the Paddington House. The M&S Bank Arena and the O2 Academy host huge live music events. Art enthusiasts will be promised an amazing time in the Baltic Triangle where they can find jaw-dropping murals. You can also support the new and upcoming artists at the Cavern Pub. We promise you'll enjoy Liverpool's best at the Paddington House. For bookings or further information, visit amberstudent.com today.